Manipur observes 61st Wildlife Week 2016. Forest and Environment Minister Hemochandra appeals people to stop killing wildlife. Health Director Ibomcha finds breeding of Aedes mosquito during inspection in Thangmaiban. Mass fogging to be conducted in the area. And JDU Manipur unit slams former MLA N. Biren for quitting as the election code of conduct is round the corner. Terms his resignation as an eyewash. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories, and it is news of the day. Forest and Environment Minister I. Hemochandra asserted that enactment of various laws and to protect and preserve wildlife will be helpless if we kill birds and animals for consumption. Minister made the statement in connection with the observation of 61st Wildlife Week 2016 at Maharaja Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound. The observance was organized by Wildlife Wing of Forest Department. Minister Hemochandra further said, just as people have started giving up using tobacco and its products after knowing its negative effects, time has come for the younger generations to understand that killing of wildlife has adverse effect on human beings. Principal Chief Conservator of Forest P.N. Prasad said, killing of wildlife is also responsible for low agricultural productivity as many pesticides feeds on agricultural products. As part of the observance, prizes were also distributed to the winners of various competitions conducted in connection with the observance.
Exotic meat sa masi chaning bagi natranga masi haning bagi masi concept masi change tawdringai no law, whichever law we may enact, when law bayang simple enforce was strong, and we have to change our ways of change to time. I don't know, masi chasing masi painting it through the world. Essay through the school no, we have to preserve this.
A joint meeting of GCILPS members and Chief Minister is presently underway discussing a new bill to safeguard the indigenous people of the state. The meeting, which began at 3 in the afternoon, is being held at CM Bungalow, chaired by Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh has greeted the people of the state on occasion of Durga Puja. In his message, Chief Minister said, "May the festival inspire us to follow the path of righteousness and also reinforce the bond of brotherhood and amity among all sections of the society for a more peaceful and prosperous Manipur." Mass fogging will be done across Thangmaiban area as breeding of Aedes mosquito was found beyond 100 meters radius from the epicenter. Health Director Dr. Okram Ibomcha, along with his team, today visited Thangmaiban, Lorungpurel and adjoining areas to monitor the situation and conduct door-to-door inspection. During the inspection, breeding of Aedes mosquito were found at open tanks, drains and most of the houses. Till now, 17 people are tested positive of dengue, and today 13 more sample has been sent for investigation. Medicines were also distributed during the inspection. Speaking to media persons, Health Director Dr. Okram Ibomcha said, mass fogging will be done across Thangmaiban as more cases of breeding of Aedes mosquito were found today. He also further stated that his team is monitoring the situation round the clock.
Aremba Karakaida Kangchi Therigido Tibi Lakune. Yumling Haitare Mangato Pausi Lantosu Kangsi Karakra Dum Yoboy Aduna Quina Akogi strategy. How you Kang Machase Quina 100 meters he wang Su Leramba Tenaba Maramda Taibangi. I am a subject Kuano poking to Disinlo.
Me machine some nabs in Kalakpanina, which the Gihana Lobby initiative today, Tangan and Lobiraga. Jackson the wrong, the local people, the Quimati, I do a quick club which I tell you, Mamang the NYK, Maning the Tayo, Angamba, Club and Nigi, my Kate, Pang Zeraga, Makata, pull up Sangin in a way, a palm.
Janata Dal United Manipur Unit President N. Tombi has slammed former MLA N. Biren for resigning when the election code of conduct is round the corner. JDU termed the resignation of N. Biren as an eyewash to the public. Speaking to media persons in connection with the opening of district committee office of the party at Kaikhumayai Lekai in Imphal East District today, he asked why Biren did not resign from the post of MLA 1 or 2 years back if he was not satisfied with the Congress party. Speaking on the framework agreement of NACN-IM and Government of India, N. Tombi said it is the duty of the state government to make public the contents of the framework agreement. N. Tombi said citizens should not give votes to BJP as the contents of the agreement are not made public. He said JDU will fill candidates in all the 9 districts in case the candidates are sincere and are willing to work for the people.
Congress Satkiba, the Trinamal Congress Congress Lakiba, Sumahin Tonabasi, Akoidi, Prajaki, the Karigumba Tabak Tormama, Congress, Sarkana Todri, and Karigumba sacrifice Todana, Natragana Karigumba man, honors of the government cinnamon, the Mapung Papa Corporation, Pedri, and a talk Targana. Sahi Amanigi Mamanda. Primary membership to resign the Todana. Sahi Amanigi, Magi MLA Pandinga, the Hunduomaga, Yam the sacrifice lane at Todi, Madai the Koi, good hiding ever. A quick code of conduct, Mang the Tal, Mang the Tal, Kanda, resignation, Nika in the Tori city, a quick city, no, city, Prajad Uchavi one in Message Yadi.
Meanwhile, reactions are pouring in following the resignation of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Vice President N. Biren, who yesterday quit from the party's primary membership and as the Hangang MLA. Revenue, Law and Legislative Affairs, Forest and Environment Minister I. Hemochandra today reacted to the resignation of N. Biren, saying his resignation is a big loss for the Congress party. Minister Hemochandra said there are possibilities of other MLAs joining the Congress party. Minister Hemochandra said it takes time to solve any state issue and there is no harm if somebody chooses another path to solve the issue. Minister Hemochandra was addressing media persons during handing over ceremony of Luang Pokpalai Pukri, also known as Lamjau Pukri, at Singzame Chingamakha. The function was organized by the Innovatio Committee Lamjau Pukri. Minister I. Hemochandra repaired the Lamjau Pukri using the MLA Local Area Development Fund.
Congress ki MLA chatki badi laidana ayi wakandadi Congress te MLA bukhara ayi lagado bu mali ai amarom da khalura gadi mag yamna senior leader ni lebak ki damakta yamna koi khanba yamna issues da chatpa yamna koi na yam bebhar to bai gi yam personal friend ni mahangna koi gi party dagi chatki basi koi su yam noite koi gi su loss ni rajniti gi magi issues da magi thajana ba chatna ba ngatani na thoidokna ai gi wakandadi magi thadokibaduna to koi issue moiraga Congress party oina yengudadi maduna impact tawdu su kai leite ai baki issue da solve tawu ngamdaba haibudi kanogi wani madudi sum wakhallo ni wani product problem asi solve tawu yadi atam changi.
Sagolban MLA Arkiomo said Congress will emerge as majority party in the upcoming 2017 general election. The statement was made in the inauguration function of the branch of Lorembam Enterprises Furniture Showroom, Kanchipur at Waheng Lekai. MLA RKMO also expressed his disappointment regarding MLA Biren's leaving the party as he played a crucial role. However, he also stressed that as the Congress party has a structural base foundation, the incident will not hamper the strength of the party.
Party ki achouba leader ama tokiba haibasi masi akoida always masi yam sena haibada mengat pada always void laigado wagado oiduni tawgadabu laiba khoi gi party si Congress party si mi amada natraga MLA amada natraga individual kharada depend taro keno tawunate aduna party as a structure yam phajana base foundation yaroga laibani na masi su khoi mayam ubiriduni hana khoi MLA nifuni ban lerami ama satki nifu tareta adubu mari ama Congress party gi oina magi principle do thajaraga achi sangakhibani.
Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh expressed his heartfelt condolences at the loss of noted theatre director Haisnam Kanhailal. The Chief Minister said, on his loss, we have lost a noted theatre personality, a multifaceted artist, a colossal figure in the field of art and culture, and his absence will be felt dearly by each one of us. On the other hand, Anti-Theatre Manipur has also condoled the demise of Haisnam Kanhailal. In a press release, the theatre group described Kanhailal as a pioneer in the field of theatre world. Sit-in was held today protesting the burning down of Manipur University Recreation Hall and vandalizing of 2 rooms at the university. The sit-in was staged by Manipur University Teachers Association, Manipur University Staff Association and Manipur University Officers Association in front of the main gate of the university. Various placards were displayed at the sit-in like "Make Manipur University a violence-free zone," "We condemn violence," "Honor the sanctity of university," among others. Manipur University Teachers Association President Professor S. Jipon Kumar strongly condemned the incident and termed the arson at the Manipur University as unfortunate. He said it will be better to solve various issues through dialogue rather than using violence.
Oza anigi kada pamdaba thokok khar thokiba mai tharamba thugairamba furniture kaya atik akai thohalamba recreation hall mai thadumba recreation hall ga thangna leba computer center haiba computer center sidadi PhD tawba kaya gi thesis mamaru document kaya amu yaw recreation hall ga thangna leba water amada koi mali ama gangna lebani mali ama gangna leba water sidu mai thadokirna sigumba thodok singki thokhan biram leba thokhan bige khanba mipum khudingmakta sigumba thodok si thokhan biganu karigumba makoina hainingba aningba apamba leragasu democratic oiba mongda koi pulap pulaga khannaminaga kari dosige karmain toksige haina khannaraga afa maikei de purugna honasi.
Committee of Civil Society Kangleipak CCSK will observe the first Manipur People's Government Day on the 18th of this month at Hotel Classic Grande, Chingmairong. The day will commemorate the first Manipur State Assembly, which was held on 18 October 1948. Speaking to media persons, CCSK President Arjun Talhaiba said the day commemorates the first State Assembly of Independent Manipur. A picture of the first State Assembly held by the then Chief Minister Maharaj Kumar Priyobarta Singh's cabinet was released at the press meet while members of CCSK held a poster campaign.
Tangdu leita do khunai mo erak pagi maram sa akoina lojabada akoi isana isagi saktam amadi nat amadi itihas masak mun khangdabana ni hana kisina hobo eraga akoi ngasi India ki phibal lungda leire maning tamba India ki go maning tamba le pam oire akoi chingnaba leite akoi Indian praja man haibada ko ki leite how ki itihasi puari da isa kari oirame iramdam kari oirame haibagi phajakhara badugumba puari singa do tangka singa do ningsing jabadi akoi ki thau oi madu kai de lande ningsing mom thoi haibadune.
People of Khagempally are going to block the Imphal-Mayalambi road following frequent accidents due to potholes on road. The potholes has been caused due to laying down of electricity wire by the electricity department. Although the wires have been laid, the road has been left open, creating problems for commuters. There have been instances where even the passengers travelling in auto rickshaws have fallen off the vehicle.
Mi siba yaba lambi se takhwairamaga siba ngairira mase athuba mathamda sembidregadi numinini gi manungda akhoi thingjalagani
dang he still mut ki matamda extend kayam thokre asokba kaya bukhatna oktore ta haudana kayam thokre masi usana der ngasi bukta state government jina sum yeng leiba se masi akhoi yengba ngamoi maram maduna masi haiba akhoi matam masi buke manungda akhoina sembidregadi state government na sembidregadi In the
Yumnam Roji death case, locals today vandalized the house of Roji's fiancée, Khwairakpam Punsibas' aunt in Yangdong, Maning Lekai. A joint action committee was also formed today to find out the truth in the Yumnam Roji's death case. 19 years old, Roji's body was found in a pond yesterday near Sanjenbung Khongnang Khong Manak in Langmaidong Mamang Makha Lekai under Waikhong Police Station, Thoubal District. Angry locals today vandalized the house of Khairakpam Punsiba's aunt, where Roji and Punsiba had planned to get married. Oinamak Waikhom police team came on time and controlled the situation. Meanwhile, Yunam Roji's fiancé Khairakpam Punsiba was attacked by a mob while he was produced in court today. Punsiba was produced before the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Thoubal. A large number of women attacked Punsiba in the court complex, accusing him of allegedly killing Yumnam Roji. Khairakpam Punsiba was sent to 10 days police custody by the judge. An assistant sub-inspector of Manipur Police was found dead yesterday at Royal Lodge in North AOC. The deceased person is identified as Helmang Helminglun Gangte, 36 years, from Munglen Phaikhul in Chorchampur district. His body has been sent for post-mortem at RIMS. A sit-in was staged at Langmaidong, Kaithel, demanding the authorities concerned to hang the person involved in the killing of Yumnam Roji. The sit-in was held under JC against the killing of Yumnam Roji. Various placards were displayed at the sit-in demanding punishment to the accused person. Yumnam Roji's autopsy was conducted at Jenims today. However, the JC has refused to claim the body of Yumnam Roji until the accused person is punished. A sit-in was staged at Singzamai Bazaar in protest against the bomb blast in front of Sapam Pharmacy on October 5. The sit-in was organized by Social Environment Development Organization. The protesters condemned the bomb blast at the residential area in which a person was injured. Protesters appeal all not to repeat such incident in future. It also urged not to repeat such act in future as it has created a fear psychosis among the people. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Registration Hauzare MCS 2016 की वाइवा बोसी की दमक मॉक इंटरव्यू याउबा स्पेशल इंटरव्यू कोचिंग की registration Hauzare October 9 दगी 13 फाउबा अयुक की पुंग 3 दगी अमा फाउबा एक्सपर्ट सिंगना इंटरव्यू टिप्स पिगनी लोइना मेंस माइ पाकलाबा कैंडिडेट सिंगा इंटरेक्शन सु पांगथोकनी October 12 दगी 13 फाउबा द अयुक की पुंग 9 दगी अमा फाउबा मॉक इंटरव्यू पांगथोकनी ngasi mal register tawbihoro registration की दमक proactive academy of competitive examinations Kwakaitel Imphal the contact tawbiu
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for Class 9 and 10 CBSE Summative Assessment 2. Class starts on 6 October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available.
अगर लागलीबा तांग निपान अमदी मापन सिदा मॉडर्न कॉलेज स्विमिंग डेवलपमेंट कमिटी ना मणिपुर स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन की मखादा मॉडर्न कॉलेज प्रोफेशनल स्विमर्स के पेरेंट्स सिंगना स्पॉन्सर तौरगा सिंजगदोरिबा अहानबा स्टेट लेवल एज ग्रुप स्विमिंग कंपटीशन असी अयुकी पुंग निपान चाप चाना हवुनि मसिदा मंगा तरा थेंगना हवबगी कोई वाफम लेजरोय स्विमर्स सिंगना पेरेंट्स सिंगना मतम चाना पुंग 3 की ममांगदा लाकपिरगा अंगांग वामम तौहलगा कोई पुंग निपान चाप चाना हौनबा अखोय सिंजगनी अदुगा पेरेंट्स सिंगना माइ मागी अंगांग सिंग ngata पुबिरगा si matam chana hoba yana basi da koi sajok pina biu haina aina media gi through de khanganjari.
Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. A one-day national seminar on human rights and electoral politics in Manipur was held today at Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong. The seminar was organized by Center for Human Rights and Duties Education, Manipur University. The seminar was attended by research scholars, professors of Manipur University. Various resource persons presented paper on the topic Women's Rights and Party Politics in Manipur, Human Rights Violation and Discrimination During Election, among others. Speaking on the inaugural session of the seminar, former Dean, School of Social Sciences, Manipur University, Professor KSH Bimula said, in a democratic country, election is very important. As the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly is approaching, it is very important to educate the young voters about the significance of their voting rights. She said it is high time to elect right person as our leader to solve various issues of the state.
The right persons are to be elected as representatives of the people. Now in Manipur, it seems that there is a gap between the representatives of the people and the people of Manipur. That is why there are so many problems, maybe ILP or maybe other political issues, social issues. So in order to solve this problem, I think the rightful persons should be elected, not by the voters, as their representatives.
Normal business activities have resumed at Moreh town following the opening of Myanmar immigration gate. Normal business activity came to a halt following an IED blast on September 3. According to Impact News source, the gate was opened from today after India and Myanmar authorities held a dialogue over the matter. Loktak Lake Development Organization will organize the 27th Loktak Ningjing Day on the 16th of this month at Loktak Lairembi, Lampak. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Thanga Assembly Constituency MLA T. Mangi Babu, who is also the chief patron of the organization, said the day has been observed since 1990 with an aim to conserve the lake. A give exchange program will also be held on the day as observance coincides with Mera Hau Chongba. He also said that various competitions for students and sports persons will also be held along with fish fair on the day.
We Mera Hau Chongba Tabanina, we Loktak Casement area, the lady ba, sing meet a missiongi, Polanabagi Toramasu, other the Yogani, Lady Manipurgi, Prajas Loktak Festival, Sibu Yobining Ba, quite keep puning Mapu, when now Hazuki. Loktak the celebration committee mai kai dagi pun makusu lakpiduna hojiki hairiba program mayam singase masi mapung phana saruk yabiyu.
Youth Forum has accused Minister Okendro of reducing the status of Community Health Center located at Hairok Part 2, Thokchom Leika into the status of being a primary health sub-center. The only medical facility for 15 villages of the area has no sufficient staffs, specialist doctors, lab, operation theatre and trauma center. Youth Forum accused Minister Okendro of using the center's materials for his personal purpose. On 2nd October, Okendro used ambulance of the health center for his rally. The forum also warned to launch intense agitation in case Minister Okendro fails to look after the requirements of the center. Kada Head Office, Kada Thobal District Committee and Kada Kairem Bikhok unit jointly confiscated 40 litres of country liquor today. The liquor, which was kept in a sack from road connecting Kairem Bikhok, Salungpham, Hairok and Ipukhom. The confiscated items were burned by the public. Imphal West District Police Commando caught an active member of KYKL in a checking and frisking done at Thobal Khongjom Kheba Ching yesterday. The caught KYKL member is identified as A. Naubi Singh alias Inao, age 32, son of A. Khelindro Singh from Khongjom Kheba Ching. All Manipur United Clubs Organization UNACCO today donated Longhorn, battery and amplifier to locals of Chingtam Apunbanupi Lup, Palel area in Thobal district. The function was attended by members of UNACCO and Apunbanupi Lup.
Manipur Haibasida, Tongan Jati Puruk Mayam Amma, Haibdi, Tangu Punsaga Taruk and Bana, Kundaraganda, Manipur Seko Ribbon. Pujit Magi Jati, Agi, Haidana, Sumana Lay. Adu Tati, Manipur Haiba, a quick Punamaki Jumu River, Kanana Nakshin, the Gizmi, Manipur unity, Manipur Haiba, Wapunsi, Desda, Hawaii Hachang, Kadopayaba, Adum organization, Mapang and Kalanda Vayati.
Annual day celebration of SI School Kanchipur of Langthabal Kunja Haino Makhong was observed today. School Management Committee and MLA Karam Sham as well as parents took part in the celebration. CH Arun Kumar Memorial Award and CH Jogeshwar Award were also distributed today. All India Radio Imphal won 2 awards in the Akashwani Annual Awards 2015. The family welfare play Hek the Sijadrake Itomda, written by M. Shanto, produced by Tokeshwari Ilangbam, bagged first prize in the family welfare category, and radio play Cycle Nungsibi, written by Jiban Haisnamba, produced by Adhikari Mayum Geet Chandra Sharma and assisted by Subhas Athokpam bagged second prize in the radio play category. Youth India Federation Kaching staged a sit-in yesterday at Irabot Park in Kaching Market demanding proper implementation of National Food Security Act in the state. Various placards were displayed at the sit-in. People of Kaching expressed dissatisfaction over National Food Security Act not being implemented in Kaching constituency and many other places of Manipur. Secretary of Youth India Federation Kaching said the chairperson of Kaching Municipal Council did not fulfill his promise to distribute ration cards by September 30. Information Commission yesterday distributed prizes to the winners of state-level quiz competition at DM College Multipurpose Hall. The quiz was held as part of the RTI Week 2016. Graduation day of 78 Adventure Course of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA was held yesterday. The course began from September 23 at Lamdan. Altogether, 35 trainees, including 8 girls, participated in the course. DIPR Director Megha Chandra Kongbam handed over the certificates to the trainees. The course will complete today. Club organizations from Yaripok to Mayalambi have appealed ABCI company to complete the repairing work from Thoubal to Kasom Khulen Road before Ningol Chakoba. Youth Development Committee Yaripok Khoirom, ESU Haitrok Pokpi and Kekru Development Youth Club in a meeting decided to help any inconveniences faced by ABCI during the repairing of the roads. All kinds of heavy vehicles will not be allowed to ply on the road until the road is repaired. Caesar ENT Center organized a free ENT camp at Athokpam Awang Lekai, Thoubal yesterday. More than 60 patients were provided free OPD consultation and free video endoscopy. The camp was jointly organized with District Library Cum Youth Center Athokpam Awang Lekai. The camp was held as part of Caesar Outreach Program. In sports, the 10th Foundation Day of Yelhau Inat Sindam Loop was observed at Soibam Lekai Wanghai Kuno. Sanamahi Temple Board member Mayengbam Sanatomba said Yelhau Inat Sindam Loop is one among the institute which has taken special responsibility of imparting Manipuri martial arts continuously for 82 years since 1934. He said it is proud for us to learn that Manipuri martial arts is no more confined to Manipur only but also spread to the rest of the world. In the 11th Manipur State League, FC Zalin Sada Hills defeated USA Khurai 4-1 in a match played at Mapal Kangzebo. FC Zalin Sada Hills players Badin Par Moyon, Thangmin Len Haukip, Patrick Kamai and Lango Len scored a goal each. The lone goal for USA Khurai was scored by Palmai Dingampu. The second match played between Klasa Kaino and Nako Nambul Mapal ended in a 1-1 draw. Lamlin Thang Tongthang scored a goal for Klasa Kaino while CH Roshan scored the equalizer for Nako Nambul Mapal. YPHU Lalambung will take on Trau Kwakathil while AIM Khabam Lamkhai will lock horns with Trukpu Nambol tomorrow. YWC Langthabal and MTSU Malom won their respective matches in the 6th Kangjam Karnajit Singh Memorial 2nd Division Football League. In a match played today, a lone goal from El Binoy led YWC Langthabal to victory against Pamyal Patsoi Part 2 1-0. While in another match, MTSU Malom beat HNSC Lilong Hauribi 1-0. M. Lemba netted a lone goal. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur observes 61st Wildlife Week 2016. Forest and Environment Minister Hemochandra appeals people to stop killing wildlife. Health Director Ibomcha finds breeding of Aedes mosquito during inspection in Thangmaiban. Mass fogging to be conducted in the area. And JDU Manipur unit slams former MLA N. Biren for quitting as the election code of conduct is round the corner. Terms his resignation as an eyewash.